Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video, you are going to get some tips to improve advanced speaking English course from home. Friends, as you know that there are three levels of English learning. Basic levels, second is advanced level and third is post-advanced levels. In English, we have to learn four things: reading, understanding, writing and speaking. Reading is also an art and it's up to your practice. There are many persons, they commit a lot of mistake at the time of reading. I mean, they commit pronunciation mistake, wrong accent, like that. So, reading is also an art, so we should practice at home every day, rapid reading. And for reading, we should also use short story books, long story books, novels, and for external study, newspapers and magazines. And when we read such types of books, these books or magazines also help a lot in our conversations, in our spoken English. Second thing, that is understanding. There are many persons, they can read, they can also read well, they pronounce well, but they are unable to make the perfect meaning. Means they don't understand and they are unable to make others understand. Yeah, so we should also practice for understanding. Whatever we are reading, we should understand it. Third is writing. Friends, we have seen many occasions that there are many persons, they can read and understand, but they can't write. Because English writing is also practice, and it's up to our practice. As much we practice at home, so much we can write. Means if we read short story, long story, novels, or magazines or newspapers, whatever we read, articles or themes, we should write in our own language. When we go on writing, then we can also improve our writing skills. Yeah. And third is, that is, last is speaking English. We have seen many occasions that persons are very good in reading, understanding and writing, but they are not fluent in English. They feel hesitations, they feel imperative complex and stop speaking English. So speaking English is also an art and it's up to our practice. And in this video we are discussing about advanced level, how we can improve our advanced level. Friends, for improving advanced levels of spoken English, we should uh, try to talk whenever we get opportunity. Either schools, colleges, institutions, market, home, anywhere we should try to speak in English as much as possible. Thereafter, we should also practice at home before mirror and we should also watch English news channels that help also in our conversation. As much as possible, you should also watch Indian English movies. There are many Indian movies and super hits movies have been dubbed in English. So we should watch Indian English movie, documentary and whatever possible. As much we watch movies, English news and we go through English newspaper, then we can become very fluent in English. Yeah, and I think that in advanced levels, each and every day, learners should learn by heart at least 50 words, such as one word substitutions, phrase, idioms, bombastic words, or new words. And they should also keep diary at home, or when they may come across some new words. They should write the words in the diary. So these are the ways to improve our advanced level English. And also we should practice at home or with our friends. Means dialogues, interview, extempore, speech. Yeah, because these things are the part of advanced level. In advanced level, we should be very fluent. We should be very confident to speak in English. Hope you will follow my advice and you will improve your English from home. Bye. Thank you.